In this video, I'll guide you through some of the aspects of the super feature capabilities in XDesign. I'll be using this VGA adapter model, which is typically used to connect computers and computer monitors. Right now, the connector is a male adapter with the pins and screws protruding outward on the adapter. I want to change it to be a female adapter, which I can accomplish using the flexibility of super features. The first aspect of this adapter I'd like to change is the trapezoidal boss with the pins inside. Instead of being a hollow shape with pins extending inside of it, I want it to be solid with holes where the pins will go. First, I'll suppress the shell feature in the Design Manager, which is what is hollowing out the trapezoid shape. This changes the area back to a solid instead of it being hollow. Now I want the pins to be removed, which I can do by editing the extrude feature that created them, and changing the setting from New to Cut, and then changing the Direction 1 end condition to Through One Way. Now the trapezoid shape is filled in, and the pins are changed to holes. This section of the adapter is now a female design, which was accomplished with just a few clicks. The other part of this adapter I want to change is the screws on either side. Instead of two threaded screws, I want there to be a hexagonal boss that the screws would thread into. To do this, I'll change the revolve feature that makes the screws to an extrude feature. I'll edit the revolve feature in the Design Manager, then click on the arrow at the top and select Extrude. You can see the preview here doesn't look like the boss I'm looking for. I'll need to use a different sketch profile to create the new feature. I'll click on the X of the sketch profile to remove it, and I've already created the hexagonal profile I'll be using. I'll select it from the Design Manager, then set the depth to 10 mm for this feature, and click OK. Now, all the features on the end of the VGA adapter have been changed to be female. All it took was changing a few settings on a couple features, and the geometry updated. This makes this design really flexible and incorporates the geometry I need with ease.